I'm Meg from BJ's Automotive here today with your tech tip. Today we're going to talk about your vehicle identification number, or VIN for short. Now the identification placard on which this number can be found is located in one of three areas. It can be found on the bottom of your B-pillar, sometimes on the inside of the driver's side door, or down in the left-hand corner of the dash. Now why is this number important? Well, as the name implies, this number identifies your specific vehicle. We can identify what year your vehicle was manufactured, where it was manufactured, whether it was here in the US or overseas, and even what day your vehicle was manufactured. Now, why is all this information important? Well, it helps us do our job when it comes to finding service information for your vehicle, to narrowing down what specific parts you may need for service. If you have any questions about your VIN or can't even find it on your vehicle, call us, let us know, or stop in and we can help you find the best source for that information. That's your tech tip for today. Stay tuned for next